Little to no snow left after a week of warm weather. The ALS Blackwoods Blizzard Tour across northern Minnesota has been canceled.
Yeah, the news is disappointing, but it doesn't mean the giving has to stop. Northern News Now's Taryn Simmons heard from leaders about what's next for the tour.
We're disappointed, our riders are disappointed, but the main reason we do it all is to help people with ALS, and that we'll still do. We're going to raise a lot of money and help a lot of people.
David Colquest, the president of Never Surrender, has announced the cancellation of the 25th annual Blizzard Tour ride scheduled for February 7th through the 10th. He says this is the fourth time since the tour began they've had to cancel due to the lack of snow. Although this year's ride was canceled, many Blizzard Tour leaders are hoping next year will be different. Leaders like Peter Gatzert, the owner of Duluth Lawn and Sport.
Hopefully we'll be able to ride. We don't get years like this very often in Duluth, but they do happen, so hopefully we'll ride.
Gatzert has been a sponsor and a rider of the Blizzard Tour since 1999 and says even though the ride isn't happening, people with ALS still need all the help they can get.
The people with ALS are going to have ALS whether there's snow or not. They're going to need our support. They need money for wheelchairs and therapy and computers for speech help.
Even with the lack of snow, Colquest says they still have to reach their $2 million goal. So far, they've reached $1.2 million in donations.
We're still holding hope, but it's more difficult when you're not riding. But our riders are dedicated. They're still out raising money, so we'll see what the next 10 days bring.
In Hermantown, I'm Taryn Simmons, Northern News Now.
Colquist also says the Blizzard Tour events are going to be moved indoors. Riders and donors can enjoy bowling, arcades, and axe throwing next Thursday at Skyline Social and Games. The banquet is going to be held at the Black Bear Casino Resort next Saturday.